So we're in the attic, and you ever have lights up in the attic or anywhere that seem to be not wanting to stay on, and they flicker, and your lights have some age to them like mine. They're over 10 years old, and you may need to put new ballasts in them. That would take care of it probably, but for me, I think it's just easier to go ahead and switch them out for the new LEDs. That way they're more cost effective, takes less energy, and they'll be a lot brighter. So let's get started here and get to it. I took my old socket that had the pull down string and got rid of that. The power came into it, so what I did is I run a cord, and if you don't know how to do that, I'm sure you can figure that out on YouTube, how you can hook a wire up to it. And I just run that across to the center of my room and put in a receptacle right here, and that way whenever I run my cord for my lights, I can just plug it in right there. So let's go get the lights. Here's the lights that I got from Lowe's. I'm going to use the 4-foot length light, or the 1.2 meters. It's just about 20 watts. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below which ones I actually used. Sometimes using those 24-inch slots aren't the best, so you might want to use this hole or some of these other holes, or even drill right through with a self-tapping screw could work also. So what we'll want to do is use this little screwdriver and see how that is, and you just pop this end off. See that? And we'll work our way the whole way around. Pop that off, and you flip it around, and you pop it off on this side too, and then the lights is off. Now, since this is open, you can actually undo these 3 wires here and hardwire it if you'd like, and then use this switch on and off. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this extension cord that comes with it and just plug it in that socket up there to make it real easy. And so what I'm going to do is just screw it against the wall and use these holes here, and then you can put this back on. Now we got the lights out of the package. I laid one up here. I have a nail here, see, to kind of get an idea of what we want to do here. And you can see there's a slotted hole there and a slotted hole here, and that's so that you can put a screw in here or a screw in here in a joist, and they're 24 inches apart. So you can go ahead and fasten them against here like this, and you can kind of see how bright that is. Put it like that, or we can go ahead and put it on the back side of the wall. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my center one here, and then I'm going to put one at the other end, and then put one down at this end. What you do, you take this and then you use a little screwdriver and you pop this out, and that cap comes off. Then you can take this cord to splice them together. You just take and push this in here like that, and you take this end and you put it in there like that. Or if there's space between them, you could take this little piece here and put in there, and then you could butt the lights up end to end, like in a workshop. I think you can, with the box eye, I believe you can put up to 10 or 15, maybe even 20 of these lights together on one circuit. So now how you can measure that is stick the tape on the end of the screw. You measure over to the same side and you can see that it's lined up right on the edge of the screw, so that's the same as center to center, and put that at 24 inches or 2 feet. Okay, I have it up there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and screw it tight. Okay, slide that light back up in and make sure all the wires are in, and you slide that back over and it's right back into place. There, we got the light fastened, turned on. I used that short splicer right there and run across, and since where my receptacle is here, I'll just run one of the extension cords in, and then I went ahead and just used the tie to hook this up, and then I'm going to go ahead and do this for that side. This job has now been completed. We got good lighting in here, and if content was helpful for you, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think. Let me know if there's other do-it-yourself videos maybe you'd like to see, but look for in the future here for a radon fan, because most houses need those since the government lowered the allowed level of radon in your house, so almost every house needs one these days. So until the next time, have a great day, and we will see you soon.